Hello everybody, welcome to MonoVM's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to teach you how to install the Dude server on MikroTik in a step-by-step guide. Let's dive in. First open Winbox and from the left menu, go to System and choose Resources. You can check your MikroTik RouterOS compatible architecture here. Go to the System menu again and click on Packages. Then download the Dude server package from the MikroTik website. Now just easily drag the downloaded Dude file to the packages. A file list will open, choose the Dude file and drag it to the package list. Reboot your system to activate the package. You can do it by going to the System menu, and then selecting Reboot. Go to the MikroTik website, download the Dude client file, and install it. To complete the installation, open Winbox, from the side menus choose the Dude, and open the setting. Check the box in front of the Enable and hit OK. After the installation is complete, enter your server IP, username and password to log in. Now you have successfully installed Dude server on MikroTik.